In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your GoDaddy cPanel using your GoDaddy account, which is the fastest and easiest method. We'll walk through each step slowly so you can follow along even if you're completely new to cPanel or web hosting. First, let's talk about what this method actually does. Instead of typing in a separate cPanel username and password, you'll be using something called single sign-on. That simply means you log in once to your GoDaddy account, and from there, GoDaddy automatically signs you into your cPanel. No extra passwords to remember and no risk of locking yourself out because you forgot your cPanel login. To get started, open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy website. At the top of the page, sign in to your GoDaddy account using your usual login details. Take a moment here to make sure you're signing in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple hosting plans or domains. Once you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to the My Products page. This is where GoDaddy lists all of the services and products associated with your account, including your web hosting plans. On the My Products page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Web Hosting. This area shows each hosting plan you have, along with some basic details. Look for the specific hosting plan that's connected to the website or domain you want to manage in cPanel. If you only have one hosting plan, that's the one you'll use. Next to your hosting plan, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click that. This will open your hosting dashboard, which is like a control center for that particular hosting account. From here, you can access different tools, but what we're interested in is the direct link to cPanel. Once the hosting dashboard loads, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You should see a button that says cPanel Admin. This is your single sign-on shortcut into cPanel. When you click cPanel Admin, GoDaddy will automatically authenticate you and open your cPanel interface in the same tab or a new one, depending on your browser settings. You won't be asked to enter a separate cPanel username or password because your GoDaddy login is handling that behind the scenes. Give it a few seconds to load and that's it. You're now inside your cPanel where you can manage files, databases, email accounts, and all the technical details of your hosting. To recap quickly, you sign into your GoDaddy account, go to the My Products page, find your web hosting section, click Manage next to your plan, and then click the cPanel Admin button in the top right of the hosting dashboard. Using this single sign-on method keeps things simple, secure, and fast every time you need to access your cPanel.